GameStop gift card. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use GameStop gift card on Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First, check the balance. Ensure that you know the balance on your GameStop gift card. After that, convert your digital format. Some retailers allow you to convert physical gift cards into digital or electronic formats. Check the GameStop website or contact their customer service to see if this option is available. If you have a digital version of the gift card, you might be able to add it to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and follow the on-screen instructions to add a card. When making an online purchase from GameStop through the GameStop website or an affiliated app, you can usually enter the gift card information during the checkout process. Enter the gift card number and PIN if required during the checkout process on the GameStop website or app. Then, once you have entered the gift card information, complete the transaction as you normally would. That's all. That's how you will be able to use GameStop gift card on Apple Wallet.